Fuck, man, I got bad news. Alright, man. We all know why you clicked on this video. You want to be the next YouTube star, sensation, whatever. Every kid from ages 10 to 37, they want to be the next PewDiePie also. So your chances of making it, it's pretty much the same chances of me, quitting YouTube. That's not gonna happen. So if you're not ready to put in that work, just go ahead and click off. Just click off the video right now. Hey. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, since half you guys clicked off the video, the other half, hi. Let's begin the video. I'm so glad you didn't click off the video. The big question everybody wants to know is it too late to start a YouTube? Short answer, no. I believe it's never going to be a bad time to start YouTube. YouTube literally continues to grow every single day. And right now probably would be the perfect time to start YouTube, mainly because of Corona. UK just got a new strain of Corona, whatever. 2021, it's not looking good. Well, if you want to become a YouTuber, it's looking pretty darn good for you, unless you want to be a vlogger. But you want to be a sit-down channel like me, you're good. Right now should be your perfect chance to start YouTube if you've been thinking about it. And starting with 2021, you really got no reason not to. I mean, why wouldn't you do it? Before I let you guys jump into these streets we call the YouTube algorithm, let me give you guys a couple tips so you're not just just stranded, wandering, lost around, and people just abusing and using you. So let's get into the first tip. Alright, so you probably hear this a lot, and it's to pick a niche. You can have a variety of things. I do multiple things. I do commentary, lifestyle, and reaction videos, but they all kind of complement each other, if it makes sense. You can do music and like instruments or something, and do like reviews on instruments. It could be, you can put two and two together, you know what I mean? So you don't have to pick a specific niche, but make sure you pick something that you enjoy doing and not just doing it for views. Since you're just beginning, don't be pressured to pick a niche, and then once you started, you're not able to leave. Yo, you just started. You have no viewers or anything yet, and I could change right now if I wanted to. Also, like, you don't really have to change till you have like maybe a couple thousand subscribers. Yo, experiment, have fun with YouTube, and don't be pressured into thinking since something's successful you have to do that. Yo, you can do whatever you want. It's literally your YouTube. Don't let the numbers get to you. Alright, my second tip, I don't really hear it get talked about a lot, but it's YouTube burnout, and it will happen eventually. For some, faster than others, just because of the stuff they do. But that's why I mentioned before, make sure you're doing something that you love to do, because YouTube burnout is real, and it can happen, and it will happen no matter how much you love YouTube. Like a couple months ago, I was doing YouTube. I was loving it. I was pumping out videos every week, twice a week. But eventually, I don't know what happened. It's like I just lost my mojo, and it was mainly because I wasn't getting the numbers I expected I was going to get. So don't be upset over the numbers. Have fun with YouTube. That's my biggest tip. Have fun with it. Also, don't do things you don't enjoy doing it, because you're gonna burn out a lot quicker than somebody who actually loves what they're doing is gonna burn out. Did I say that right? You know what I'm trying to say. Chasing trends will help you with views, but at the same time, don't just do trendy videos, because you're not gonna enjoy it as much as if you're gonna make video as much as if you made videos you actually enjoy doing. Let's just talk about my channel. My reaction videos do the best, but just because my reaction videos do the best, I don't just spam reaction videos, because yes, I enjoy it, but I don't enjoy it as much as I do my lifestyle videos. Just because my lifestyle videos aren't doing as well, I'm not gonna stop doing lifestyle videos, because I enjoy doing it. Don't just chase trendy videos. Don't get burned out. You will eventually. I know this kind of sounds dumb, like don't get burned out, but you will eventually. Try to push it at bay for as long as possible. And chasing trends is going to hop me into my next tip, which is don't start YouTube for the wrong reasons. The number one main wrong reason to join YouTube would be to become famous. I know you see a lot of your favorite YouTubers, millionaires, driving around in Bentleys, Lamborghinis, and throwing money, having fun. Yo, that's cool and all, but that's only like the top 1% of YouTubers. Yeah, you can get 100K or whatever and live a life, a nice little lifestyle, but that takes a lot of work. I've been on YouTube for almost a year, and I only have around 400 subscribers. So don't expect to become a millionaire in a couple weeks. It's not gonna happen. I know a lot of people start YouTube thinking that they're gonna become famous pretty quickly, because I don't know where that came from. No one said that YouTube's easy. I mean, I put a lot of hours into YouTube. I'm now doing 3 videos a week. I'm plugging that in every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. With Tuesday, send me a reaction, so go check that out. And yeah, send me videos you guys want me to react to. It takes a lot of work. I put a lot of hours in. I'm literally reading off a script right now. Not a script, but an outline. of, you know, topics. You can't even see it, but I got a niche right here. It's a lot of work. It's not just, you know, easy shit. So be prepared to put in some work. Don't start for the wrong reasons. If you love YouTube, start it. And if you don't love it, then why are you doing it? Alright, so this tip here. Come here. Come closer. Come closer. Alright, so this is probably the most important tip I'm going to tell you guys. Well, actually, kinda. Equipment. So right now I'm using a ring light, a camera, and a microphone. Try to have your background as clean as possible, as neat as possible, so it can look good. Because when you watch, you want to see something pleasant to watch. So let's start with lighting. Lighting is the most important part of your whole setup. If you have a good camera with bad lighting, the camera is useless. I mean, if I turn off the lights.
Hello, it's me.
That's why it's important to have good lighting. Now you don't need a ring light, because this ring light was $100. You can use your window, I guess your phone. I mean, let me try this. So if I turn the flash on, nah, that don't work, bitch. That don't work. I don't even know. Nah, that don't work. What am I doing? Yeah, you can use your window. It's free. Just use your window. Don't do what I did. That was dumb. I'm a dumbass. I used to use my window actually for my first couple videos. I wanted to have a ring light so it could be more versatile. You know, maintain the same exact lighting every video, because with the window, lighting changes over time because of course the sun moves up and down or around and around. It's weird shit. What am I talking about? Whatever, bro. Yeah, so lighting changes with the window. That's why I just recommend a ring light. But lighting, most important. Actually, no. I take it back, lighting being the most important. Audio is the most important. Audio is the most important than lighting. You can have the best lighting, the best camera in the world, to have the best background. You can have a fucking mountain in the background with a volcano erupting beside it and then waterfall. You can have all of that. But if you can't hear me, bitch, dude, you're not gonna watch it. You can be telling people that you've seen Jesus and he came down from heavens and gave you a hug. But if we can't hear you, we're not gonna watch. We're gonna look at it and then we're gonna keep going. Be like, wow, that's in 4K, and then keep it going because we can't hear shit. Audio is literally the most important, and then it'll be lighting, and then the camera. You can use your phone, and with the new cameras, of course, on the phone, they do 4K. They go up to 4K 60. My camera can't even do that. My camera goes to 4K 30, and then when I do it on 4K, it gets cropped into like this. I'm gonna just show you a demonstration right quick. All right, so as you can see, I'm recording off my phone right now. That's my camera right there, of course, obviously. But as you can see, this quality is really good on the phone. It would help to get a microphone, but you can probably see me pretty well because of the lighting. You don't really need a microphone for your phone because of the internal speaker or whatever. It's pretty good, but it would help to get a microphone. But let's just take a little tour around my room. As you can see everything really good. I mean, the quality is amazing. Like I said, this is my iPhone, so you don't even need an expensive camera. But look at that. All the details are there. You can see my dog right here. Bam. Right now I'm using HD 60, so it's real smooth. I would usually use 24 FPS, but it doesn't have that on here, so I'm just gonna use 60. You don't even need an expensive camera, as you can tell. It's just, bam, you know what I'm saying? Put this up on a tripod or whatever, or stack some books up, and you got a free camera. I'm not even using a microphone, I'm just using my speaker that's on the phone, that comes on the phone. Sounds pretty good, looks pretty good. Go do it. You can just use your camera. You don't really need an expensive camera. What? That ain't me. You can just use your phone. You don't need an expensive camera. So you want to start on YouTube, you can start pretty cheap. I know I said audio is important, but the speaker on the phone is pretty good. And then you just use your window lighting. Bam, you started for free. If you have a phone. If you don't have a phone, how are you living? It's 2021. Hello? You can use your Android. I heard the cameras are pretty good too. Probably better than Apple's. Don't quote me on that. Don't come for me, Apple guys. I have an iPhone XR. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, a lot of people are gonna be starting YouTubes around this time of year. People wanna do the things they never done before and think that, you know, right now is probably a good time. If you watching this later on, or it's like, you know, later on through this year, start YouTube right now. If you're thinking about it, just start it, because, you know, for me, starting it was the best decision I ever made. I get to wake up in the morning and see, you know, comments on my videos, tell me how much they love the video. It just feels amazing. So if you wanna feel that, I really recommend starting a YouTube. If you love it, like I said, don't do it because you want to become famous. It's not gonna work out. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. Also hit the notification bell because I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Love you guys so much. See you guys next week. I'm out.